Next, we're going to look at adding a worksheet to an existing workbook. I've opened a file called Weekly Sales from the Start folder, and we're going to look at 3 different ways to add a worksheet. So we're going to do 3 additions here. The first and easiest way to add a worksheet to a file is to look down at the tabs here and notice this plus sign and click it. As soon as I clicked it, I got a new sheet. Simple as that. Now, we did mention already that for the exam, you want to make sure you know how to do things with the ribbon. There's a pretty good chance you'll be able to click the plus sign down here in case a test question says add a sheet. But just in case, the way to do it on the ribbon is to make sure you're on the Home tab and then go to the Insert here and click the drop-down arrow and then click Insert Sheet. Now, you might find this a little confusing because take a look at the ribbon. It says Insert. You might think, don't we go here to insert a sheet? Actually, here's a good tip for you. The Insert tab inserts stuff onto sheets. It doesn't insert sheets. So keep that in mind as you're learning this. Back to the Home tab here. I'll go ahead and finish this task of clicking the drop-down arrow on Insert and clicking Insert Sheet. And there's another one. I also want you to notice that when you do insert a sheet, this way, it actually inserts the sheet to the left of the one you were on. Now, it really doesn't matter where it puts the sheet because a little later on we're going to figure out how to move these sheets around. The more important thing is to know how to do it, how to add a sheet. So the first method, the plus sign. The second method, insert. The third method, and this is the one method you may or may not be able to use on the test, so use it in real life, but don't count on it necessarily for the exam, is to right-click a sheet and just click Insert. And then make sure Worksheet is selected and click OK. So whatever method you use after the exam is totally up to you. For the test, make sure you know how to insert a worksheet using the ribbon.